Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the review of luxurious car Aston Martin. If you're a fan of luxury, performance, and timeless design, then the 2025 Aston Martin lineup is something you won't want to miss. Aston Martin has long been a symbol of British elegance fused with raw power, and in 2025, the brand elevates that legacy to new heights. Whether you're a die-hard enthusiast or simply curious about what's next from one of the most iconic automakers in the world, this review is going to walk you through everything that makes the new Aston Martin models stand out this year, right? From the first glance, the exterior design of the 2025 Aston Martin is jaw-dropping. The company has stuck to its philosophy of sculpted athleticism, combining sleek aerodynamic lines with an aggressive front fascia that immediately captures attention. The LED headlights are slimmer and more refined, seamlessly integrated into the updated grille that gives off a menacing yet luxurious aura. The car sits low with a wide stance, signaling speed and stability, and new paint finishes offer a fresh palette of sophisticated shades like lunar white, cosmic silver, and a deep racing green that pays homage to the brand's motorsport heritage. Step inside and you'll find that the interior is where luxury truly lives. Aston Martin has reimagined its cabin with an emphasis on tactile quality and cutting-edge tech integration. The handcrafted leather upholstery is as exquisite as ever, now available in a wider range of customizable colors and stitching patterns. The dashboard features a fully digital driver's display, alongside a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Real aluminum and carbon fiber trims add a sporty flair, while the ergonomically designed seats offer both comfort and support. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling tight corners on a mountain pass, there's also improved insulation, creating a whisper-quiet interior even at higher speeds. Every inch of the interior feels meticulously considered, offering a balance between traditional luxury and modern innovation. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Aston Martin lineup delivers with thrilling confidence. Depending on the model, you'll find either a refined V8 or a hand-built V12 under the hood. These engines have been fine-tuned for better throttle response and increased horsepower, with some variants now pushing over 700 horsepower. The 0 to 60 time sits comfortably under 3.5 seconds in most high-performance trims, and thanks to a Ray-engineered suspension system and improved weight distribution, handling feels razor-sharp. Aston Martin has also introduced mild hybrid technology in select models, adding an extra layer of efficiency without sacrificing performance. Drivers can switch between multiple driving modes: GT, Sport, and Track, each offering a unique throttle, steering, and damping setup. As for pricing, the 2025 Aston Martin models sit squarely in the premium segment. Entry-level trims start around $160,000. But if you're looking for high-performance variants or personalized bespoke options, expect the price to climb well over to $150,000. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know in the comments what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews.